Imagine this: a world where inventory management is a breeze, warehousing is a cinch, and manufacturing recipes are as easy as pie. But alas, we don't live in that world yet, do we? Today, manufacturers grapple with software solutions that often miss the mark. Does your inventory management tool leave you scratching your head? Or perhaps your warehousing software is more of a hindrance than a help? And let's not even get started on the complexities of managing manufacturing recipes. If any of these scenarios sound familiar, know that it's not a lonely battle. Many manufacturers face the same hurdles. But here's the good news: BullSum has a solution. Astutoo, BullSum's innovative software solution, is designed to tackle these very issues. So, why continue to struggle when help is just an email away? Reach out to BullSum at contact@bullsum.org and discover a smarter way to manage your manufacturing processes. With BullSum, you're always one step ahead.